Sourdough bread with crushed avocado. You think of the flavor and texture of avocado. Rich, phenomenal. I want to make it a bit more vibrant. Black sesame seeds, a nice pinch, chili flakes. I quite like it. Hot, touch of salt, and a touch of pepper. So that nice, dry combination of the lemon zest, black sesame seeds, and the heat from chili. This is light, healthy, quick. But so tasty. Sourdough bread, 3 nice, chunky, thick slices. Open them up, lightly season them. A little touch of olive oil brings the whole crust to life. Rub all that seasoning in. You can use ciabatta. You can use a baguette, but the richness from the sourdough with the silky creaminess of the avocado is mind-blowing. And then get the grill up to temperature and push these down. Go the extra mile. We've all put bread in a toaster, but the difference of grilling the bread this way is extraordinary. That nice, smoky charcoal flavor. Off with the gas, beautiful. Now, the avocado. You've got to treat them with love, respect. Press on the end here. And if your thumb softens, you can tell that avocado is ripe. Never press here, you'll just end up bruising it. Slice down until you feel that stone in the middle, and then just roll around. And then it's just a little gentle twist. Off. Stone. And out. Cut them into quarters. The back of your knife. Peel back that skin. If the avocado is nice and ripe, it should just all fall away. Slice. Just take your quarters, fan them out, and push them into the bread. The riper the avocado, the better the flavor. But look for ones free from soft spots and blemishes which can suggest bruising. Get your lemon. Squeeze. That'll stop the avocado from discoloring. And then get your crunch ready to go on top. Sprinkle in a very generous, light way. We've got the fragrance from the lemon zest, the crunch from the sesame seed, the heat, that little chili flake, which just wakes up the avocado. They look expensive. That for me is a delicious, light start to the day.